Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with the prompt game for Scrap It Thursday. The prompt game for October 28th, 2021. And this is what me and Mrs. Gigi does twice a week. We do Wednesdays on her channel, Thursdays on mine. So round one was red or purple, lace or trim, dyed paper or ripped paper, fine line or pen or favorite color, bird or wild card, paper clip or charm, staple something or washi tape. So here's round one. Okay. Round two is use finger to paint or favorite color, sew something or glue something, border or frame, words or quote, lavender or gold, something from the kitchen or foil, paint pan or brown. And here's for round two. So these are my two projects for that. And here's the prompts. Alright, thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I do a premiere, or when I go live. And also, please be blessed, be kind, be loving, be caring, be safe, be crafty. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye for now.